Kia ora te whānau, nau mai, hara mai, ki te rā tuarua o te wiki o te reo Māori. Today I've just got a quick little tip, some advice for you that you can take on board when you're learning te reo Māori. So, what a lot of people do when they get started is they go out and they learn the basics. They go and learn things like colours, they learn things like animals, they learn things like how to count. And they're all good ways to learn, they're all good words to learn. But there's an inherent problem in that you don't actually really use a lot of those words very often in day-to-day life. And for a new language learner, one of the best things you can do is actually learn phrases and learn how to say things that you're already saying, because you can start to replace those words that you're saying in English and replace them with the correct phrases and the correct words in te reo Māori. So instead of learning, say, how to name all the primary colours, my suggestion is to go out and work out what words and phrases you're already saying a lot of the time and start to replace those words and phrases from English with words and phrases in te reo Māori. So for example, you might sit down at the table one night and have a think about all the things that you say on a consistent basis throughout the day. What are the top 5 or the top 10 different things that you say every single day? They might be things related to your routine around getting ready for work in the morning, getting the kids ready, things that you say at work, things that you say quite common on or quite regularly on social outings, all those sorts of things. So the first thing would be to do is to write down what those phrases are. These are what we're going to call your really high frequency phrases. From there, you're going to go through a process of finding the translations for those. So it might be a case of doing some Googling, working out some sentence structures and trying to work it out that way. Might be asking a friend or a relative or posting a question online in a group. You can do it that way, and then once you've got those words and phrases correctly, it's really a simple matter of replacing what you're already saying with those words and phrases. So instead of going through this process of learning words that you're not really saying very often, you're going to go through a process of learning words and phrases that you're saying a lot of the time in a really high frequency. So remember, when we're talking about language as a learner, we use language as a means of communication. So we're talking to people, or we're describing things. We're using it as a tool to convey a message. So if we're learning words that we don't ever really use to convey a message, we kind of get stumped a little bit because we don't really have a reason to use those words. But if we come up with words and phrases that we are saying in a high frequency, then we have a lot more of a reason to use them and to use te reo Māori in our language or in our speaking. So that's my advice for today. If you want tonight, write out all those phrases, all those words that you think that you use quite frequently. See if you can find the translations and post them down below. I'd love to hear all those different sorts of things that you're saying, even if you're just posting the English ones. I'd love to hear what you're saying. So yeah, let me know how you go, and we'll see you tomorrow.